Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is gonna be part 2 of our gambler car. This is actually where we get to do something to it. By something I mean clean that shit up. It's gross. Got him. Where to start? You should hit the trunk release button. I'm gonna start on the trunk. You can have the interior.
Really?
Woo! It opened. Whoa, hello. Oh, you see that? I scored some Harley Davidson mats for us. Legit. And those are mat flaps.
Oh, not bad.
Oh, there's more stuff. Oh, more shit.
You want to dump this?
Yeah.
That's gross. Found another floor mat.
We'll see. We'll see what goodies we'll find here.
You need some cables for your VCR?
That is a quality RCA cables. This looks heavy duty. A trailer plug.
Auxiliary. Looks like a Best Buy in here.
Maybe. What the fuck is that? Ugh, this is so gross. You could probably throw away that floor, man. I'm just
What about
saying.
the lighter?
Does it work?
Nope. Nope.
Nope. Throw away. We gotta get our money back out of this thing somehow.
Oh, I found the jackpot now.
$100?
You ready?
What is it? Nice, I like it.
That's where it's at. I'm keeping these.
It's probably the old lady's glasses.
I just probably
Dude, I
got
keep
that-
finding this shit, and this looks like medical grade sniff type of shit.
That's for like those air tanks.
Yeah.
You know?
Ugh.
I think there's enough change in here to take it to
Dude,
the
that's
car
like
wash.
your style.
Looks like it matches.
Dude, this is fucking... I think that's as good as it's gonna get over here. Let's see what that one's doing. Oh, look, you can almost work in here.
Almost.
Oh. Getting some money back over here. Solid, solid. Time to buff this thing out. 16-pound hammer, 16-pound whatever. 2x4, I think that's what it is. All right, let's see. Yeah. All right. Right here.
It's gonna need a harder swing.
That shipped. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hold on, hold on. All right, go for it. Fuck it, swing it back.
Is it new yet? Oh, is it like new?
Getting there.
They don't build them like they used to.
All right.
So we got about half foot out now. I think a few more hits, some wax and buff, and it's like new, better than factory. And some minor adjustments. Need a couple more adjustments. Alright, so what's Edwin doing here? He's doing some electrical witchcraft. Since this fan is shut, this fan is working. We're gonna have it hot wired to the battery. This ground on the switch, just the two-pin switch. Put that bad boy on. And it's just gonna go full ham once we're gonna start overheating, which will happen. Now hopefully one fan is enough. If not, oh well. Day number 2, working on the Gambler car.
You have a knife on you?
Yeah, hold on, I'm recording day number 2 here. Edwin's doing his thing again. I gotta assist him though with a knife. Hold on. What the fuck is my knife? I got something better than that. I don't know why I have them in my pocket.
Well, that'll work.
Oh, actually I do have a knife too.
That'll work.
Shit, I got everything. This is from my yard work. Alright. Now he's doing wiring. I have more important task. Is alignment. Where the hell are we gonna put some fucking lights? Oh man, I'm too old for this. Alright, so this is the lights. This is a mint bumper that I'm about to drill though. What should I do is then what should I do? I think we go like this style. That way we can adjust them. We need more light and shit. Put it on the sides. Both sides. Ruin my nice fenders. There's one. Two. Oh yeah, she's fucking mean gambler winning machine. As long as that Edwin doesn't set it on fire. And some questionable wiring work over here. Alright, you do you. We decided to do it right, kind of ish. We actually used the terminal for the ground instead of wrapping it around. Edwin was against it.
What?
I was like, yeah dude, we gotta do it. We're certified. Certified Gambler 500. And look at that, even 30 amp fuse for the fan. And by the way, updates on the fan. This one's pooped, that one works. This wire, zip tied, so it's good. Shows that we care. Alright guys, update number 1's done. Number 2's coming up. Evan, any words about the project? It's almost done.
Very nice.
Alright. Quick walk around. So the car's finally got renamed. It's called the Granny Bomber. This is, as you can see, is a mint side, clean title, one owner. Of course, the Gambler logo, the Granny Bomb, the new decal, representing 509. Buick Tapar. This is not so mint side. This brief history of the car. This is a scorecard. It says over there. Buick 1, house that it hit 0. So far it's winning. This will buff out. Some offensive stickers. Quality bodywork. And the best of them all. A brand freaking new tires. Brand new. Courtesy Discount Tire. Guys hooked us up. Thank you, Mr. Adrian, if you're watching this. Why did you flip the light out the other way?
Because I'm waiting for somebody to hit it while they're driving it.
That will fucking blind somebody.
Roman, let me have my fun.
Alright. Alright guys, so yeah, this is it. The car's done. Going to Gambler in a few hours. So yeah, Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit thumbs up, you know you want to. And follow the Granny Bomber.